love serving you. We love improving our quality of life. What other way to celebrate the labor of love but to celebrate it in the month of February, right here at Dania After Dark.
We're always excited about having Dania After Dark, but we're even more excited this time because we now have this wonderful sculpture that we're about to unveil. It's all about love, it's about unity, it's about working together, and it's just a wonderful thing that we can be proud of, and it's one of the first of many art projects, art sculptures, murals, paintings, what have you, that are be coming into the city over the next few years.
We want to celebrate love, so give it up for love in the City of Dania Beach. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! Let love guide your way. And this actually works as a true working weather vane. So thanks again, Lloyd Goradesky. Give it up for the artist who created this wonderful, wonderful piece. We could not be more thrilled to bring this wonderful art piece to our city. Our city stands for See It, Live It, Love It. And when you come to the City of Dania Beach, we want you to feel the love that we have for our neighbor, for our community, and for our visitors.
I hope you all come down here and visit. This is a great place to take selfies and family photos. And don't forget to let love guide your way.
Happy Valentine's Day, everybody. I just want to let you know that we love you here in Dania Beach. Come out to City Hall and look at this beautiful art piece that we've unveiled today. We love you. God bless. Take care. Happy Valentine's Day.
Dania Beach is the perfect place to see it, live it, love it.